Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change time on Android. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. From here, you need to scroll down and you need to find date and time. But as you can see that if you are unable to find, you simply need to click on search settings and search your date. And here you can see date, click on that, and from here you can set date. So I want to change the time, so you simply need to click on this set timer. So click on use GPS priority time. Okay, click on that and close that, select time zone. From here you can select the time zone, and after that click on off. Okay, and from here you can set timer as well. Once you change time, click on OK and your time will be updated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.